Welcome to Guide Glimpse. In this video, let me show you how you can add resume to LinkedIn. Let's start by logging into LinkedIn. Open the site and enter your credentials. Next, navigate to the Jobs section by clicking on the Jobs icon at the top. Once there, access Preferences by clicking on Preferences. Then click on My Qualifications under Preferences. Select the option to upload your resume and choose your resume file from your computer to upload it. After uploading, make sure to save the changes to your profile. Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Guide Glimpse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.